this is another video 7. Now I'm going to show you how to make this sword. Okay, I could tell you this first. First, I draw this. You have to first draw these lines. I started from here, then you could go here, go here, go here. You just have to draw, and then you draw a up line from here, and then you from separately from the other paper you draw like this cut part, and then you cut them out with a knife. Then you have to glue these two together strongly, and you have a perfect knife. You could give it extra details, glue some stuff on. Mostly I do it later. So bye bye.